Hello everyone. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the ESR 15W premium car charger with CryoBoost. I'll also be testing it on a circular car vent using the Icailin in-car holder in a real-world setup.
Okay, so this is the ESR 15W car charger with MagSafe. It has CryoBoost, and it should be able to keep your phone cool while charging. Therefore, the charging continues, so it does not stop the charging. Alright, so right at the start we have again the super user card, the ESR. Most of the products come with a warranty card. Do not see that one here. We have the quick setup manual. You can also scan the QR code to see the video. It's pretty basic. Alright, inside we have the Type-C cable. And we have the charger itself. And I like the cover. It's pretty soft compared to their 3-in-1 chargers, the regular MagSafe on the G2 charger or the 7.5 watt one. They have a glass finish which does tend to get scratched pretty quickly. So I'm quite excited to see that this one will not get scratched, obviously, but has a soft finish, like a ceramic feel to it. And they added this other thing here to allegedly keep the phone straight once it's in MagSafe. Then we have the openings here for the cooler. It has a fan, so when it's switched on, as it starts charging, the phone immediately starts cooling and prevents the phone from overheating. Here we have, I have no idea what this is called. So we have the lighter power adapter for the lighter port in the car. I don't really know what this is called. It has 2 Type-C imports, which is pretty good. That means if you're using a charger, you have a spare port that you can still use for other devices. Seems to be solid, seems to be pretty good. Next we have this. Alright, so they have this 3M double-sided sticker on this thing. I'm guessing if you don't want to use the AC vents, you just glue it to the surface on the dashboard and attach the charger this way. So a pretty nice thing to glue. I'll show you all these plastics. And here we have AC vent clip-on. This is really, oh my goodness, this is pretty strong. There we go. So basically this will go on the AC, and this thing here is supposed to keep it in place so it doesn't fall over. Unfortunately, I will not be using any of these mounts since it has circular vents. Therefore, I will be using this smart car mount, which is supposed to be ideal for circular vents, the one that I actually have. Now, obviously, I will not be using this because I do want the MagSafe charger. This is just some cheap alternative to hold your phone in place. I will not be needing this part, but this is the one that should do the trick for the circular vent. Ideally, you can push it in and it just holds itself there, and then we can put the MagSafe charger onto it and use it as a mount. I'll be testing this out in the car in just a moment.
Okay, so we have this piece. We will try to stick it in the round vent. Circular vent should be something like this. Next, we get the charger itself, unscrew the thing, put it on, get it in, and try to screw it on. So, not the most stable thing. Let me try to adjust it in a different orientation. Okay, it seems to be pretty stable. Alright, next we have the power supply. This one has 2 USB Type-C ports. Push it in there. Try to leave most of the cable down there so it's not wobbling all over the place. There's my port. Okay, clicks just like that. And plug it in. Now, if we turn the switch on, we can see that the device is on. And the fan is not working right now. Moment of truth. And there we go. The phone is charging with MagSafe. The fan just kicked in. I can feel the fan blowing cold air at the phone. This should keep it from overheating. So I've been using the charger for a few weeks now, and overall I love it. There haven't been any issues. I really like how smooth the top is. The only thing I've noticed is that this little thing doesn't really do anything. But this small thing is supposed to do. It's supposed to align the case vertically on the charger, so it's not going sideways. I'm using the ESR MagSafe case. It's supposed to be perfect with this thing. Now, doesn't really do anything. It does not correct it to go into place or anything. So it's kind of useless, but I mean, it's not a deal breaker. If you align it straight, it goes straight. It doesn't really matter. If you want to put it like this, it goes like this. any orientation basically, but this little thing doesn't really do anything. And I really love the magnets in this. They're strong, but they're not too strong. Like they don't just, the phone never falls off, regardless of what kind of terrain you drive on. But if you want to take it off with one hand, it's really simple. You don't need to put much force to take the phone off. Obviously, if you try to pull it straight, it's stuck in there. But if you just remove it from the side, it goes off really easily. It comes off really easily. After using it for 2 weeks, I'm here to share my thoughts and help you decide if it's worth your money. The charger itself is solid. It delivers reliable 15-watt MagSafe charging, which is great for keeping your phone powered up on the go. However, the CryoBoost cooling feature doesn't quite live up to its expectation. Now, what do I mean by that? When mounted on a car AC vent, in my case, a circular vent, the cooling effect is minimal. In fact, any standard 15-watt MagSafe charger paired with your car's AC would achieve a similar result. Now, at this price point, it's hard to justify the premium. ESR and other brands offer more affordable options that perform just as well mounted on your car's AC vent. I'll link some alternatives in the description below. That said, if you prefer not to mount your charger on a vent, the CryoBoost feature might be worth considering. ESR also offers a cheaper CryoBoost charger, although that one comes with a glass finish like this one. It's prone to scratching over time. I'm not sure if you can see on this one, but it does have quite a few scratches, and I've been using it for around 3 weeks. Personally, I opted for the premium because of its soft touch finish, which feels more durable and premium. While the ESR 15-watt car charger is a good product, it's not necessarily the best value for money. If you're looking for a vent-mounted charger, there are cheaper options that perform just as well. However, if you value the CryoBoost feature and you do not want to mount it on an AC vent, this might be the right choice for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the affiliate links in the description below for alternative options. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.